loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves, if you're new here visiting for the very first time, welcome. I'm Geraldine of Diva Decorating. And if you like DIYs, room tours, home decor, some cooking, grocery and shopping hauls, tablescapes, then you're in the right place to be. Okay, loves, and if you are already a part of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to take you along with me as I decorate my tier tray for Valentine's Day. Okay, but before we get started with the fun stuff, okay, I got a little bit of work to do. I got to clean down the area where I want my tray to be. And I'm going to bring you along for that as well. So if you're ready, let's get started. So guys, this is where I want to place my tier tray when I'm all done with it. And as you can see, in the area is very small, and I still have some Christmas things up here that I have not moved or put up yet, and I need to really get those put up for Valentine's Day. So that's how it's looking. So let's get started with the cleaning.
So long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you paradise, you know where we're going tonight, paradise, paradise, I'm taking you to paradise, paradise, I don't even care about the price, yeah, paradise, paradise, I'm taking you, let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe, and you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise, you know where we're going tonight, paradise, paradise, I'm taking you to paradise, paradise, I don't even care about the price, yeah, paradise, paradise, I'm taking you, come and take a seat next to me, babe, let this pretty view take your breath away, baby, we deserve a break from our old ways, anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise. about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
Nice and smelling good. So these are the items that I'm going to be using. I may use them all, I may not use them all, I don't know yet. But as you can see, I got plenty of stuff here to fill the tray with. And that is the tray back there. Okay, so this tray is from Amazon, and it's a 3-tier tray. And like I said, I'm going to be filling it up with these items right here.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, no. Imagine us there. Imagine us You don't have to wait for it tonight.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there? When it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Loving it. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. What do you guys think? I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer so you can see everything. I think this turned out so super cute, guys. I love everything that I have on it. The little truck plaque came from the Dollar Tree, as well as this one over here. Happy Valentine's Day. And the M&M's candy dish, I already had this. I've been had it for years. So I decided to switch out the candies in here because it was so much chocolate I have on here. I wanted to put some of the heart marshmallows instead in there. That's why I switched that out for cocoa or something like that. And on my second layer here, I have another plaque from the Dollar Tree that says February 4th and has the upside down love in the middle with the arrow. And I have a little cup art that I already had right here that says love on it. And I put some little lollipops hearts in there from the Dollar Tree. And these picks here are from the Dollar Tree from a year ago. And I have my little cute little adorable rolling pin here. Guys, I went with a red, pink, and white theme. I just didn't want to do all red or all pink. So I wanted to mix the colors in. So I used the white rolling pin here. This says XOXO, and it's from Amazon. It came in a 3-piece set, and I'm using the white one. And I have a pink one and I have a red one. But I wanted to break up some of the red and the pink that's already going on the tray here. And then I have this little heart from the Dollar Tree with the little Happy Valentine's Day sign on it. I was going to put some candies in there, but I said, I think that's enough candy. So I'm just going to leave that plain just like that as decoration. And I have my kisses in this little jar here, which is from the Dollar Tree. I already had that. And on the very top layer here, I have my cute little gnome, and he is from Amazon. He is new, and I'm just thinking he's just so adorable, just so adorable, with the little heart on his hat. And also I have these beads. They're also from Amazon. Guys, please shop my Amazon store. And check out some of these, some of my favorite items that I have on there. I think you will enjoy them. So this is the little heartbeats, and it came like that. Thought that was super cute. And I have this cup. Now the cup is from Burlington and it's a new find. And I just love this mug. It says love with the little hearts on the handle. Thought that was super cute. I picked up two of them. I'll show you the other one in a second. And these red and white straws here. I've been had those as well. And the little paperweight here with the hearts is from the Dollar Tree. And I've been had that too. So that's how the tray came out. Oh, the greenery. I decided to stick a little greenery in there to break up some of the color. And I think that came out super cute. So, and to fill in some of the sparse spaces. And I have my little lights on here. I only have them on one side. I couldn't find my other set that I had. So I only got them on one side. And this is going to be my front side. So I don't really kind of need none in the back area there. Okay, guys, now let's go finish on my coffee bar. Putting it in the area that I wanted to be in. And I think it came out absolutely so adorable and so cute. I finished up my little cocoa and coffee area over here. Me and my hubby are the only one who drinks coffee or cocoa. So I don't need a lot over here. And that's how it's looking. And there's that other little mug that I was going to show you. It's also from Burlington. And it has a gnome on the handle. That's why I chose to put it over here because I already have a gnome on my tray over there. So isn't that just super cute? And here's my napkins. And I decided to just put my little cocoa packs, just stick them over here. I am the only one who drinks cocoa. So I have a gingerbread one, have another gingerbread, I have a s'mores, snickerdoodle, all different types. And this is leftover from Christmas that I need to drink up. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos. Just click that bell twice. Until next time, loves, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.